Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable lecturers, dear students, and everyone who's watching these videos. In these videos, I want to share my opinion about the role of lecturers in private university in building of great generation. Especially, I talk about our campus Bina Sarana Informatika University or UPSI. Ladies and gentlemen, so many people think that public university are better than private university, but I believe the quality of education does not depend only of the status of the university. It depends on the people inside it, especially the lecturers. At Bina Sarana Informatika University, the lecturers have a very important role. They're not only teachers but also mentors, motivators, and guides for their students. Even when facilities are sometimes limited, they still give their best for help students to grow and be ready for the real world. My respected audience, lecturers in private university like UPSI must do many things. Like they must teach well, be creative, and help students when they face problems. Sometimes they must make class interesting without any tools and technology, and that shows they have a strong spirit and hard work. Dear friends, as a UPSI students, we must have responsibility. We must respect our lecturers, like study seriously and give our best in every class, because every successful BSE students have their teachers, guides, and pride. Ladies and gentlemen, lecturers in private university like UPSI is not easy. Is it not only a job? Is it a college not only for money, but because they love education and care about us, the young generation? So, let us give our biggest appreciation for all lecturers at Bina Sarana Informatika University, all heroes of knowledge who keep inspiring us every day. And now, I will explain what is simple present tense. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the simple present tense, identify its structure and uses from positive, negative, and interrogative sentence, and use it in daily conversation. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense describes habits or routines, facts or general trust, and permanent situations. Affirmative is have a subject, base verb, plus s or as. Examples: I play football, she plays football, or they study English. And to add s or es. Add s for the most verb, like works, into works. Add as for verbs ending in ch, ch, sh, o, ss, and x. Go, be goes, and watch and be watches. Change y as is preceded by a consonant, study, or studies. And then negatives, like a subject plus do or does, plus not and base of verb. Examples: I do not or don't like coffee. She does not or doesn't like a tea. Interrogative. Use do or does plus subject plus base verb. Examples: do you like pizza? Does he play basketball? And I will explain you when we can using do or does. We can use do where it's like we or they and I, and we use does for she, he, and it. So this is like a short answer, like, do you study English? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Does she work here? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. And now the verb to be, like am, is, and are. The structure is subject plus am, is, or are plus complement. For example, I am a student and she is happy. We can use am for I, we can use is for she and he, and we can use are for they and we. And then negative and question with to be. Negative, like I'm not, she isn't, they aren't. Like the question, am I? Is she? Are they? And for example, is he your friend? Yes, he is. Have a common time expression. And there must be like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never, every day, on Mondays, and at night. For example, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. We can use simple present tense with habits and routines. Like example, I brush my teeth twice a day. She reads before bed. We can use simple present tense to facts and general truths. For example, water boils at 100 Celsius, the earth orbits the sun. We can use for schedules and timetables. For example, the train leaves at 8 a.m., my class starts at 9 o'clock. Like everyone in common mistakes, like she played piano. And we can remember it. If like she, he, and it, we can use like S and ES. So like the right answer is like she plays piano. Like he doesn't like apples, we have to change that he doesn't like apples. And do she work here? We have to change that like does she work. Have a practice one for fill in the blanks. She blank go to school every day. So what you have to answer? You have to see the she, and we have to know if we like she, he, and it, we can use S for AS or AS. So the answer is she goes to school every day. And the second, they blank not or watch TV in the morning. So this is like a negative version. They do not watch TV in the morning. And the last one, can you guess it? Practice 2, correct the mistakes. And the first question, he don't work hard. Is that correct? Let me tell you again. If she, he, and it, we have to use does, not do, because do just only for they and we. With I. And for the practice, make the sentence like 1. I study English. What we gonna do? I study English. And the last one, summary, like a from, subject plus verb 1, subject plus verb 1 plus SAS. Use for habits, routines, facts, schedules, like remember, do or does for question and negatives. The simple tense for everyday English. Practice makes perfect. Use it to talk about what you do and what is true. Thank you.